Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about the code which is used to read the person details like a person name, person email and etc. and we need to print those details as the output of that program. This is our requirement. Let us see the code, how to write the code, and let us try to understand that. Now see, if you want to understand this code, you need to know two things. What is the input method, what is the output method in the Python. That is enough. As we covered already, input is a input method in Python. Print is the output method in the Python. This knowledge is enough to implement this requirement. So first we need to read the values, read the details of a person like person name, person address, person email and phone number. For that we need to use input method, which is used to read the values. Input, within the parenthesis, within the double quotes, write your prompt, enter your name. So user will enter some value. And as we covered already, the return type of the input method is string, and here name is also string type. So that's why no need to convert here, no need to implement conversion here. Directly you can assign that value to the variable name. Again we need to use same input method. Enter your address, user will enter some address that will be stored in the variable address. Prompt message for the email, user will enter some email and that will be stored in the variable email. And now see, I want to store phone number. Input, enter your phone number. User will enter some value. I want to store that in a variable phone number. So this is completely about reading the values from the user at runtime. Now we need to print them as a result of this program. For that we use output method of the Python. Output method in the Python, that is print method. Now see, print, within the parenthesis, within the double quotes, you can write the text name is or name like that, comma variable name, that is name. The same way print, within the double quotes, address and variable name in which you store that address. The same way email is variable name email, print phone number is comma variable name phone number. Let us execute this. It prompts you to enter name. Let me enter some name. I am entering the name like Sravan. Hit enter button. Then it prompts you again, enter your address. You can enter your address. Let me enter something like, okay, then hit enter button. Again it prompts you to enter email. You can enter something like, hit enter button. Again it prompts you to enter phone number. You can enter some mobile number. Now you can enter some mobile number. Then press enter. Now see, this is the output. Name Sravan, address, whatever the address you enter, that will be printed. Email, your entered email, phone number, what you entered, that number. Okay. So this is how to read a person details and print the details as the output of the program. I think it is clear to all. If this is useful to you, please subscribe the channel, like the videos and share the videos. Thank you.